This mindfulness practice focuses on feeling love and gratitude for all of the things that Martin Luther King Jr. advocated for during his life. There's so many reasons why we should be celebrating and honoring this special man, and today I'm just going to highlight two. I really do feel that the core of Martin Luther King Jr.'s beliefs and teachings parallel with mindfulness and teaching mindfulness. Really love being at the core. So the first reason that I'm going to focus on is that we are all human beings and we need to respect and love everyone, even though that people are different than us. And the second one is he really paved the way for nonviolent communication, using our words and not our bodies. Very meaningful. He's not saying to not stand up for what you believe in, but it's how we stand up. And if you notice yourself, if you're getting upset or angry or a strong feeling, it's just a good time to just take a moment to pause, a mindful pause, and be aware of the feeling within you, how it feels, name the feeling, and give that feeling compassion. And then hopefully that you'll be in a space to respond and not react. So one of Martin Luther King Jr.'s quotes is, "Darkness cannot drive out darkness, only light can. And hate cannot drive out hate, only love can do that." So let's take a moment to feel the love, and we can spread the love within our families and friends and communities and schools in honor of Martin Luther King Jr. And when the video ends, I hope that you will continue your practice. So go ahead and close your eyes and take a moment to just unwind. Feel your feet touching the ground. Relax your head and neck and shoulders and chest and tummy and hips and legs and knees. And put your hands on your heart. And feel the space within you that feels love and gratitude. And thanking Martin Luther King Jr. for everything that he did. And feel that love expand in your bodies. Expand outside of yourselves. Up into the sky, the space. And feel the power of the love.